Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable the tilt fix on your Insta360 GO Ultra. Okay, so if you are in a video mode, any video mode that supports it, you'll have this button right here. When you click on it, you'll have a tilt fix. And now you can turn it off. When I turn it off, you'll see when I take the camera and start rotating it, you can see it sort of rotates. See, everything is like very visible, right? And now when I actually enable the tilt fix, then up to like 10 degrees, it's not gonna tilt. It's gonna stay steady even though I'm tilting it. So yeah, this is how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.